Okay, so I have to tell you that I have a salad that I really want to get rid of. And so I'm cooking it up for my dog just to see if he'll eat it. Winston, come here. Good boy. All right, so I made like a super big production of it, but it's like a day gone past. It's got like dressing and cheese and other things, and it looks like he's really, really gonna like it. Good boy, wait. 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 Okay. Go on. Go. Not yours. Good boy. Go ahead. Winston, stop it, Scooter. Scooter, no. I don't know why, but I find things like these amusing. So anyway, happy Friday. I'm staying in. Good night.